Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel. I smell the flowers.
I smell the flowers.
I ride on the bus.
I ride on the bus.
I clap my hands together.
I clap my hands together.
I pour water into a glass.
I pour water into a glass.
I watch cartoons on TV.
I watch cartoons on TV.
I wave my hand to say goodbye.
I wave my hand to say goodbye.
I tie up my shoelaces.
I tie up my shoelaces.
I laugh with my brother.
I laugh with my brother.
I draw an apple.
I draw an apple.
I sweep the floor clean.
I sweep the floor clean.
I eat a tasty sandwich.
I eat a tasty sandwich.
I write my name on paper.
I write my name on paper.
I swing at the playground.
I swing at the playground.
I play a fun game.
I play a fun game.
I crawl on the floor like a baby.
I crawl on the floor like a baby.
I paint with bright colors.
I paint with bright colors.
I share toys with my friends.
I share toys with my friends.
I jump in a puddle.
I jump in a puddle.
I help my mom at home.
I help my mom at home.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I put on my school uniform.
I put on my school uniform.
I bake a cake in the oven.
I bake a cake in the oven.
I stand neatly in line.
I stand neatly in line.
I open my storybook.
I open my storybook.
I smile at my teacher.
I smile at my teacher.
I zip up my jacket.
I zip up my jacket.
I drink a glass of juice.
I drink a glass of juice.
I close the door softly.
I close the door softly.
I kick a ball.
I kick a ball.
I color a rainbow picture.
I color a rainbow picture.
I play with soft clay.
I play with soft clay.
I pet the dog gently.
I pet the dog gently.
I climb the stairs slowly.
I climb the stairs slowly.
I catch the ball.
I catch the ball.
I brush my teeth every day.
I brush my teeth every day.
I hug my mom tightly.
I hug my mom tightly.
I write using a pen.
I write using a pen.
I feed my little pet.
I feed my little pet.
I light a candle.
I light a candle.
I jump on the bed.
I jump on the bed.
I sing a cheerful song.
I sing a cheerful song.
I see a butterfly.
I see a butterfly.
I drink cold water.
I drink cold water.
I fold my clean clothes.
I fold my clean clothes.
I look into the mirror.
I look into the mirror.
I eat some popcorn.
I eat some popcorn.
I dance in the rain.
I dance in the rain.
I mop the floor.
I mop the floor.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I wash dirty dishes.
I wash dirty dishes.
I knock on the door.
I knock on the door.
I draw a house picture.
I draw a house picture.
I ride my scooter.
I ride my scooter.
I carry a basket.
I carry a basket.
I talk on the phone.
I talk on the phone.
I comb my hair neatly.
I comb my hair neatly.
I jump on the ground.
I jump on the ground.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
I play with my friends outside.
I play with my friends outside.
I dig in the sand.
I dig in the sand.
I sleep peacefully at night.
I sleep peacefully at night.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.